Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok filters not working. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your TikTok app first and guys click on your main profile and simply you have to click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys you have to click on free up space. So guys, first of all you have to clear cache of your app and guys clear downloads as well. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and second step is you have to check for update. So guys, simply you have to open your app store and search here TikTok, and guys you have to open your TikTok app. And guys, if your app is not updated you need to update your app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. And guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you have to click on TikTok. And guys, if you have remember your TikTok login, simply you have to offload your app and reinstall again and log in again your TikTok account, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.